dear friends. I, Rudraditya Chatterjee, a proud Prudенite of Prudence School, Dwarka Sector 22, heartily welcomes you all to an extravagant food fair organized by the students of Grade 3 under the EVS theme Food. This theme caters to the various aspects of food such as its needs, sources and importance. We discussed the different regional food items, variations in people's food preferences, knowing the challenges involved in cooking, various methods of cooking and different appliances used in cooking. We also learned about the importance of including balanced diet in our meals. To further capture the diversity in Indian food, we show hereby present in front of you all a virtual food fair.
Hi, I am Malik from Punjab. I am presenting Chole Bhature, which is the most favorite dish of Punjab.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Pathak. I am from class 3rd B, Prudence School. Today I have made a Punjabi dish, Aloo Pakoras. Aloo Pakoras are golden fried potato patty. Punjabis like it with spicy chutneys. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to Gujarat. Gujarat is full of colors, love, experience and beautiful things. And last but not the least, on this food, Dhokla being the most popular among the Gujarat, it can be eaten for breakfast, a side of delicious snacks. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. My name is Alaya Menu. I study grade 3 Prudence School, Dwarka Sector 22. Welcome to Food Fair. I am a proud Rajasthani presenting Kheech. Kheech is made up of milk, wheat, cardamom and some more dry fruits. It is a dessert. It is an energy-giving food because milk and wheat give us energy. Thank you.
My name is Dwarka. I'm from Jersey. I am a native of Kanyakumari, a place where flavors of Tamil Nadu and Kerala come together. The South Indian cuisine is famous for the use of spices, chilies, fresh coconut and dominated by native vegetables and fruits. Rice is the staple food in South India. The taste of India is incomplete without dosa and idli served with sambar and coconut chutney with vada. This is idli, this is dosa, this is sambar, this is coconut chutney with curry leaves, this is coconut chutney, this is idli powder, this is vada with coconut chutney, this is black tea, this is from a garden. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Master Chef Adhya Saxena and welcome to my bakery, Adhya's Bakery. We offer all varieties of baked desserts like chocolate cake, donut pastries, but our USP is pound cake. Pound cake is a cake which is traditionally baked with a pound of each of 4 ingredients: flour, butter, sugar and egg. They are baked in loaf pan or bundt mold and served with dusted powdered sugar. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Anant Khatri. I am in class 3rd B. Today I am going to tell you about some pulses. Pulses are great source of protein. Pulses contain important vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium and folate. Pulses promote bone health. Pulses are rich of fiber. Pulses have plant chemicals which reduce the risk of virus and disease.
Good morning, my friends and my dear teachers. Today I'm going to tell you about different types of spices. So let's start. These are some spices. This is red chili, this is black pepper, this is cinnamon, these are cloves, these are dry ginger, these are mint.
Hello everyone, I am Hansika of 3rd B. Today I am going to tell you the reason why we should not waste food. As you know, we should not waste food because food is our life. We should donate leftover food to a needy person. We should take the quantity of food according to our hunger. We should eat all healthy food and do not demand so many dishes at a time. We should respect and value the food we get and not waste it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nandini of grade 3rd C from Prudence School, Dwarka 22. Today I am going to tell you about a balanced diet. As you all know, all living beings need food. Food helps us to grow and remain healthy and strong. We get strength from food to work and play. Plants and animals are the 2 main sources of food. Based on their nutrients, nutrients means good substance present in food. We divide into 3 groups. Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food keeps our bones and muscles strong, like milk, egg and fish. Energy giving foods. Energy giving foods are those which give us energy, like potato, rice and sugar. Protective foods. Protective foods are those which protect us from falling sick, like fruits and vegetables. So we should have all these in right combination to remain healthy and strong. So we should have a balanced diet